I bet you didn't know cheetahs run up to 60 miles an hour, especially when their family's in danger. This mom's about to show you just how fast that is. It's sunrise on the savannah. Hyenas creep closer, their eyes locked on tiny cheetah cubs. Suddenly, attack! The mother cheetah explodes into action, sprinting faster than a race car. She zigzags, dodging snapping jaws, leading the hyenas away from her helpless cubs. With a final burst of speed, she outsmarts the pack, circling back to her family. The hyenas slink off, defeated. The cubs are safe, thanks to their lightning-fast mom. Did you know cheetahs hit 60 miles per hour to protect their young? If you're amazed by her speed, comment below and follow for more wild rescues.